two things.
If dark is white, then what cut of chicken do you eat?
Let's go. Cookie, go.
I have to get things off the auction house.
I said black was going northeast, right? And white was northwest. For the final phase.
Black northeast, white northwest. I think so.
Yeah, that's yep.
Yep.
Affirm.
That's affirmation.
Tank Buster. On me.
How, what's the duration into the fight that we're wiping in? Like 8 minutes?
Good question.
Curious how far the fight
I'm gonna highlight our best run at the end. Or that last one before the break.
Confidence. I like it.
Like,
Danger Blue.
I forgot to put a marker in the last one, to be fair.
Danger blue?
Yeah, danger blue, then red.
Danger Red coming up.
Stay.
Danger Red again.
Move.
Mid.
I'm glad that I never have to learn how to do that mechanic myself.
Glad that I'm learning to tune the cloud specifically for that mechanic.
Glad that I hate that fucking mechanic.
I hate.
I
I've
hate
been
this fight.
I haven't gotten killed at this part in a while too. Maybe
Why
I'll
would you say that?
Fix that?
fix it.
Whoops.
Fix it.
Oh boy.
Ah, whoops, sounds good.
Uh,
Easy clapping.
it's okay, I just myself.
Ah, I forgot to put a veil. It's alright.
And here's where I
Go
missed
ahead
it.
and Samba.
Tank Buster on you.
There we go, the person pop up.
Nice post class.
Yeah, thanks, I appreciate them so much.
Weakness and some weird thing.
That's my burst phase that comes once every 2 minutes that it had Kelly have a stroke, and I finally
Oh, was that
understand why
Wi-Fi?
he was constantly stroking. Yep. I understand Kelly's rage more than I ever have before.
Yeah, I remember he was saying there was like double E. When I was reading it for the first time after changing, it looked kinda.
You can't double weave, but the problem is basically all your damage is wildfire, nothing. So when I'm weakened and have 0 buffs, it's like, okay, I'm just gonna be a trash can. Bye. Might as well jump off. I'm dead right now.
Email much?
She's just being a realist. 2 ticks, that's all I want.
Die now.
Just 2 ticks. Oh, I didn't dodge.
You can save it.
Clockwise?
Not gonna be double dying now. I'm on the correct side. Will it mean anything?
Yeah!
I'm going.
This is such bullshit. I don't understand why it does this to us. Can I just dot and be? I'm 2 GCDs from the cat.
Alright, it's gonna move after this interrupt though.
Yeah, that's fine.
Stack up marker, then strength of number of donuts, and then away with you.
Spicy.
Donut coming up.
When do you pop?
Text.
Oh, is it
Oh, no one hit my divination missed a lot of people.
Lock it in.
Oh my god.
Moving to final spot.
Oh, who did?
Easy eats. Remember to not fuck up the donut? Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Calvin underneath. Calvin underneath.
Moving to our last spot
You need a
here.
limit break?
Moving.
No, come back.
I'm switching.
We're even. Oh, we're not.
I think we're okay.
Easy peasy.
Oh, my pot didn't go off. Fucking A.
These pots. You got lots. Damn.
Lots of pots.
Lots of pizza.
Lots of pots.
Lock the pasta.
I have lots for spend money.
I have lost the pasta.
Yo, we're killing it before it explodes. We're fucking crazy right now.
Veil is up. I like how we all just ran out of the healing bubble. I mean, we didn't need it, but still.
It
minute.
disappears.
Look,
I mean,
It goes away.
I appreciate the
Have a
healing
shinier
bubble. I appreciate
Let's
the healing
face
bubble
it,
forever.
My bubble is a little bit better. It
Yeah.
increases the healing that I don't do.
Tanks front.
What is he? Light. Dark.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Tanks front. Heals back. DPS middle.
Oh my god, I'm dying suddenly.
Oh, what's he?
What? Tech steps up. Right now.
Hate you.
No, my good attack. Depression.
Sorry.
Tanks in front.
Tanks front.
Horrible.
Love being stunned while all the buffs
Can't do
are.
anything about it.
Don't worry, I got a double dotty out there.
Middle.
Alright, here because we're gonna have a stroke. Let's go.
Fuck.
Go.
I love strokes.
time. So if you're black right now, I'm not.
No.
Dark is blue. Dark is blue.
It's a coin. No, I'm just gonna stack down.
What?
Dark is changing.
What?
to red. Dark will be red.
We stay them?
Follow your.
Yes.
We're staying in.
Oh god.
Yeah, stay.
Swap after.
They're the same. So
Dark
we
is
stay
red.
again.
Stay again.
Okay, yep.
Wait, watch out. Wait, watch out.
Nice.
Okay, it does work. I'm just gotta call shit right. I hate
Yeah,
everything.
move stay is really good. I think that's a high level
Cover
technique.
Faisal. You have a tank buster coming up.
And people are making fun of me when I said it.
So I was spamming blip, watch out, and you just did that.
Chronic.
Oh yeah, I saw a different thing than you guys saw. But I'm just saying, I said that.
Alright,
beginning forever.
white northwest, dark northeast, think
Tanks
south.
sounds right.
Tank south.
Okay.
If you push back into a corner first, don't go
Yes.
south right away.
Aw,
Yes.
direct south. Sounds fun.
Directamundo.
Wow.
Yes. Ooh, nice.
Wow.
Well,
Was it dark northeast?
yes.
How'd I die?
Uh-oh.
Touch the
With
middle.
damage. I never knew that.
You had to take
I'm
one for the
white.
team to learn.
Oh, get away.
Ah. I'm
Um,
confused.
you're-
I had white. Now I'm extra confused.
I took a ball, that's why I changed.
But I'm confused. I
I
had
got it, I
white.
got it.
You are. No, good.
Go,
Get away.
get that.
Get away. I am.
Get it.
Someone
you were
needs to
black,
get
you
the
took-
one. I had white and I took black. You're supposed
No, I was white. You were black.
to. Oh.
Alright, time to see more of the phase.
I
Go, Roz, go!
do sure love this fight.
That was a lot of more.
That'll work.
Yep.
You remember, you can't get hit by someone else's orbs.